Descender lock. Just in case there's a scenario where you need to pause your descent, right? So if you don't have Grigri, which is an auto locking device, how you can do it with the help of a descender? This is something how you will do. This is how you start rappelling in normal position, right? Now this requires little bit of strength and technical presence of mind, ठीक है? And swiftness. इस हाथ से पकड़ा मैंने, which is my guiding hand. Take this rope, ठीक है? Twist it towards my left side, right? Hold it from left. Hold my braking hand over here. जो braking hand से ऊपर आ जाएगा, and insert it inside. Got it? This is my descender lock. So you see what is the valley? What is the view behind? ठीक है? Back. ठीक है? This is how you descender lock. Right now we are using double rope. That is why it does not require me to make it 2 times. ठीक है? Basically the rope is getting pinched. See, I am hanging. I am going nowhere. Now how to undo it? Simply इस rope को पकड़ा, right? Left hand से that is your guiding hand. You hold it front and you slide it back. Right. So what we do is we pass it through full descender. You take it inside your carabiner. Don't forget to lock your carabiner. Okay. Once you started rappelling, this particular rope is under tension. All you do is bring your hold your guiding hand, bring your braking hand towards the left side or right hand side, and just twist it and pinch it inside the descender. Now, as I said, it is not of sufficient diameter, so single rope might not hold me completely. What I'll do, I'll again make one more twist. Okay. I'll simply go here. ऐसे पकड़ा इसको and just bring it inside this. Now I'm being held completely. How to undo it? Just take it, hold it, or if it is too tight, hold it with your double hand, pull it downwards. 1, go back, pull it downwards. 2, and start your descent. Got it? Go back to rappelling position. Rappelling करते वक्त keep looking your way. Understood?